from what used to be one stream. Prism of many colors shining through the day, every shade revealing what the whole couldn't say. Pieces of the mystery dancing into sight. So many truths awakened in the bending of the light. Break it down gently, let the colors speak. Each one holds a meaning, simple yet unique. Still the wonder lingers in the unified glow. Too much searching can dim the beauty we know. Prism of many colors shining through the day, every shade revealing what the whole couldn't say. Pieces of the mystery dancing into sight. So many truths awakened in the bending of the light. Every hue a pathway, every shade a door, showing parts of something we have felt before. Let the vision open, let curiosity rise, then return to the wonder held within one light. Prism of many colors shining through the day, every shade revealing what the whole couldn't say. Pieces of the mystery dancing into sight. All the colors gather, becoming